Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to the garden. Sorry I didn't do a video yesterday, Friday. The roofers were here yesterday, put on a new roof, so there was too much noise, really. You guys, I thought about filming them, but then I'd had to get all their permissions and all of that, and plus the noise. I don't know, but got a new roof yesterday, so that's why there was no video yesterday. Today's video is going to be planting this beautiful, beautiful clematis here on this obelisk. Obelisk. I can't say that word. All right, got the hole dug. Put about a half a cup of biotone starter fertilizer in here. And we'll get her in the ground. Now, I've got neighbors. This is the first clematis I've ever planted. And as you guys know, there's lots of theories about how to plant clematis. And I've been reading a lot. And there's a neighbor in the neighborhood who has several clematis. And they were telling me to plant the crown about 2 inches, inch or two below the ground, which is what a lot of people say. But I've also seen a lot of people say that it doesn't really matter. So, I mean, you know, that theory, it's kind of a myth that you got to get the crown below the ground. Got a big bumblebee buzzing me here by the rocking purple. I highly recommend this annual to people for if you want pollinators, because pollinators love this Proven Winners deep purple, rocking deep purple, and they also like the blue suede shoes and all those, that rocking series by Proven Winners. All right, so I'm going to put this in the ground, and I'm going to cover the roots. I mean the crown some, and we'll get it kind of trained in up here around this as best we can, because took me a while to cut off the pot that it was in. So we'll get him in here, get her in here. We'll get her covered up good, and we'll make sure this root crown is, you can see the leaf. And the leaves are, it's kind of you know, I was telling you in the weather, the last few days, it's been like close to 80 sometimes. But today, it's changed. There's a good northerly breeze off of Lake Erie. Down out of Canada, there's a spider. Go ahead, buddy, run. Out of Lake Erie. We may be planting this baby too high. We'll have to see. I will be putting some more. Big old worm. Get him in there. Got some weeds. Pile of junk right there. So, I don't know if this is going to be deep, you know, because I've got it mounded up here pretty good. So, it's going to be quite a bit above ground, actually. I may have to come back. We'll see. Hopefully, this will make it through the winter, because it is gorgeous, gorgeous. And it had, until last day or two, several blooms on it. But it's called Duchess of Cornwall. Low maintenance, easy to grow, compact. It's a Raymond Vision clematis. Classic beauty, modern breeding, loved by the gardeners the world over for lush colors, spectacular flowers, and versatile garden applications. Raymond Vision clematis also incorporate the best of modern breeding, resulting in varieties that require less maintenance, are more compact and easy to grow. The Duchess of Cornwall, a stunning large purple-blue flowered clematis, which is ideal as a container-grown plant or as a garden plant climbing up into roses or other freestanding or wall-trained shrubs. Due to its dramatic colored flowers, it is best grown with host plants that have light-colored flowers or foliage. Named with the permission of Her Royal Highness the Duchess of Cornwall. Bloom time, flowers early to late summer and early autumn. Aspect suitable for any aspect and location. Pruning, reduce all stems down to 6 inches late winter, early spring. Size grows to approximately 4 to 5 feet tall, which is about what this obelisk is, I think. Yeah, somewhere between 4 and 5. Hardiness zones 4 to 9. Horticultural pioneer and legend Raymond Vision, here in the garden with granddaughter Charlotte, has spent more than 5 decades searching for, breeding, and developing the world's best clematis. This unique, modern clematis comes to you from his world-renowned Gersi Clematis Nursery. So, we'll see if I'm going to be successful in my first attempt to grow a clematis, or if I've killed it because I didn't put it, down deep into the ground. Because I have the theory, you hear me say all the time, plant them high, they won't die. Plant them low, they won't grow. So sticking the crown down further in the ground, deeper in the ground than the surface level, especially here in Northeast Ohio with these cold, wet springs and winters. I mean, I can't even start putting annuals in the ground till Memorial Day, and sometimes that's early. So, there we have it. Clematis, Duchess of Cornwall. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Y'all come back now. You hear? Another Beverly Hillbillies. But seriously, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day and a better weekend. Ciao.